Everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll guide you on how you can delete your files in Dropbox. So to get started, go ahead and open up Dropbox application on your mobile phone. Now the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now here you can see files. Go ahead and tap on it. Now these are the file that I have uploaded. Here you can see the three dots option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you get so many options. Either you can share, save video, file settings, make available offline, star, and many more. Now you can see the delete option right there. Go ahead and tap on it. Now it will ask you for the confirmation if you are sure you want to delete this item. If you are sure, you can just go ahead and tap on delete. Now it will take few times to delete, and if once it's done, you are good to go. And the file that you have deleted can be recovered from the tab till 30 days. That's all, guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.